Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Figma access token. First, log into your Figma account and navigate to your personal settings. Once there, scroll down until you find the Personal Access Tokens section. This is where you'll manage all your tokens. Click the button to generate a new token, which will allow you to securely interact with the Figma API. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll need to give your new access token a clear, descriptive name. This helps you remember its purpose later on. Then, set an expiration date for the token. You can choose options like 30 days, 90 days, or even a custom date for enhanced security. After naming it and setting an expiration, simply click the Create Token button. Your unique personal access token will then be generated and displayed on your screen. Once your token is generated, it's crucial to copy it immediately. Figma will only show you the token once, so if you navigate away, you won't be able to retrieve it again. Treat this token like a password. Store it in a secure place, such as a password manager, to prevent unauthorized access. You will then use this token in the header of your API requests to authenticate your applications and scripts with Figma's services. For best practices, always rotate your access tokens regularly, perhaps every 30 or 90 days, to maintain strong security. Also, ensure you grant only the minimum necessary permissions to each token, following the principle of least privilege. This limits potential damage if a token is compromised. Remember to check the description below for a link to this book and other helpful deals. By following these steps, you can manage your Figma access tokens effectively and keep your integrations secure, ensuring smooth and safe operations with the Figma API.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.